Here again is the bladder. Okay, bladder. Here again is the bladder. On top of the bladder, or what we call anteverted, is the uterus. Okay, here's the rectum back here. So this area down in here would be the uterorectal pouch. This here would be the uterovesical pouch. Okay, it's just not as pronounced. If I were able to separate that, it would be a little bigger. This is all covered with visceral peritoneum, which covers and makes the broad ligament, like I tried to explain with this model. This structure here is not the vas deferens. There's no vas deferens in female. So what other structure could it be? And it's coming from up here, and it's going into the bladder. So what could it possibly be? You guys? Hey, ureter. Very good, very good. Okay, now here is our ovary. Okay, here is the fimbriae, and this here, right past the fimbriae, is the ampulla. Okay, the part that enters into the uterus. Okay, that is the isthmus. This structure below the oviduct is the ovarian ligament. Now, on this model, it really shows pretty well. This ligament right here is the round ligament. The round. It starts way up where the ovarian ligament is. Round ligament, right next to the ovarian ligament. The uterosacral ligament is way back here, but it doesn't show it on this model. So here's the uterus. And as you can see, the thickened part of the uterus here, okay, this part, not the reddish part, is the myometrium, not the mesometrium. Remember, the mesometrium is part of the broad ligament. The myometrium is the smooth muscle layer. It is the thickest layer of the uterus. The reddish part here that you see is the endometrium. This is where our little blastocyst is going to implant if fertilization takes place. If fertilization didn't take place, then what would happen to this lining? Anybody guess? If fertilization didn't take place, what happens to this lining? Every month. Menses, right? Okay. Here is the fundus of the uterus, the body of the uterus, and then this part down here that has this little rigid canal in here, this serrated canal, is the cervix. And of course, the cervix leads right into the vagina. Okay? Here is the labia minora. Here is the corpus spongiosum. So the labia minora, buried within the labia minora, is the corpus spongiosum, which, just like in the male, the corpus spongiosum that surrounds the urethra fills with blood. Okay? And that kind of causes a swelling and a stiffening of that tissue. Okay? But the male has a corpus cavernosa, but the only part of the corpus cavernosa in the female is this part, and this would be the clitoris. The clitoris is corpus spongiosum, just like the glans is in the male, the glans penis. But the corpus cavernosa is the musculo-connective tissue that attaches the clitoris to the inferior pubic ramus. Here's the pubis. This is the inferior pubic ramus. This is the superior pubic ramus. The same thing happens in the male too. In the male, let's see. No, it doesn't show that here as well as it does in the female. Okay, so here's the rectum, of course. Let's see. Okay, so look at these models, and let's see what time it is. I won't be able to cover slides because I really want you to look at the models. Can you hand me that?